Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Sony SRS-XE300 wireless Bluetooth speaker and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on it. Now there are one of two reasons that you're going to want to do this initialization on it. The first one is troubleshooting. If your speaker is not pairing with Bluetooth or if it's not syncing or connecting to your phone or other device, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. You're going to need to set it up again because all of the pairing history will be deleted. And that's the second reason that you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to get everything wiped off of the speaker back to the way it was when it came out of the box, we can do that really easily. So the speaker needs to be on for this to work, so let's make sure we turn it on. And then with it on, we're going to come in, we're going to find the volume down button and the Bluetooth button. And we are going to press these two buttons simultaneously for at least 5 seconds until the speaker turns off. Once the reset is done, the speaker will turn off. We can let go of the buttons, and then we can come back in and turn the speaker back on and go ahead and set it up like a new speaker.